Imagine a world where cyber attacks are met with instant defense. Picture an AI guardian, tirelessly analyzing network traffic, detecting threats in milliseconds. This is the future of cybersecurity, where artificial intelligence plays a crucial role. AI is not here to replace human analysts. Instead, it's a powerful tool that augments our capabilities. It allows us to respond to threats faster and more effectively than ever before. AI's strength lies in its ability to process massive amounts of data. It can identify patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to spot. This allows AI to detect and respond to threats in real time, minimizing damage and downtime. The speed and scale at which AI operates make it an invaluable asset in the fight against cybercrime. However, AI is not a silver bullet. It has its limitations. We need to understand both its strengths and weaknesses to effectively integrate it into our security strategies. As we rely more on AI, we must also be aware of the potential risks and challenges it brings. In today's digital landscape, cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Hackers are using advanced techniques to breach systems and steal data. AI is transforming cybersecurity by providing tools to combat these threats head-on. AI-powered systems can analyze network traffic in real time, identifying and blocking malicious activity before any damage occurs. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on vast data sets of known threats. This allows them to recognize patterns and identify new, previously unknown attacks. This ability to learn and adapt is crucial in staying ahead of cybercriminals who are constantly evolving their tactics. Furthermore, AI can automate many of the routine tasks associated with cybersecurity. This frees up human analysts to focus on more complex and strategic work. Tasks such as vulnerability scanning, log analysis, and incident response can be partially or fully automated, improving efficiency and reducing the workload on security teams. While AI excels in data analysis and automation, there are certain areas where humans still hold a clear advantage. Critical thinking, creativity, and ethical decision-making are uniquely human skills that are essential in cybersecurity. AI systems are trained on past data, making them adept at detecting known threats and patterns. However, they may struggle when faced with novel attacks or situations that deviate from their training data. Human analysts can think outside the box, anticipate attacker motives, and develop creative solutions to counter emerging threats. Ethical considerations are also crucial in cybersecurity. Decisions about how to respond to attacks, what data to collect, and how to use AI tools raise complex ethical questions. Humans are better equipped to navigate these ethical dilemmas and ensure responsible use of AI in cybersecurity. Section 4. A collaborative future. The future of cybersecurity lies in collaboration between humans and AI. By combining AI's strengths in data analysis and automation with human ingenuity and ethical judgment, we can create a robust and adaptable defense against cyber threats. This collaborative approach requires a shift in mindset and skill set for cybersecurity professionals. We need to embrace lifelong learning and develop the skills necessary to work effectively alongside AI systems. Understanding how AI works, its limitations, and how to interpret its results will be crucial for cybersecurity professionals. Furthermore, the ability to collaborate, communicate effectively, and leverage AI as a tool will be highly valued in this evolving landscape. Section 5. Embracing the change. The integration of AI into cybersecurity is not without its challenges. Job displacement is a valid concern. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new roles and opportunities. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace it as an opportunity to enhance our capabilities and create a safer digital world. This requires investment in education and training programs to equip the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven cybersecurity landscape. Governments, educational institutions, and private companies all have a role to play in fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Section 6. A new era of cybersecurity. As we stand at the cusp of a new era in cybersecurity, it is essential to approach the integration of AI with both excitement and vigilance. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we defend our digital assets. It can augment human capabilities, automate tasks, and enhance our ability to respond to threats. However, it is not a panacea. We must be mindful of its limitations, address ethical considerations, and ensure that human judgment remains at the heart of cybersecurity decision-making. By embracing collaboration, fostering a culture of lifelong learning, and adapting to the evolving threat landscape, we can harness the power of AI to create a safer and more secure digital future.